Hello guys, today I want to show you two changes for my Blender 2.8 UI widgets add-on. First of all, I flipped the y-axis. What does it mean? When you have a panel like this and you want to draw it onto the screen with Blender, then you will see that Blender has a coordinate system that has its origin in the lower left-hand corner. So the origin of this panel would be at about 800-100 pixels. But when you're dealing with an API for 2D UI widgets, you certainly want to set the position for these in a coordinate system that has an origin in the upper left-hand corner. And this is what I did. You can define the positions of the widgets now like that. So let's have a look at the code. In my sample operator, I create some widgets. The first one is this panel, and here you can see I set it to x 100 and y 400. These are coordinates in a coordinate system with an origin in the upper left-hand corner. And this is what you expect when you're using a UI widget library. For the other widgets, it's the same. And by the way, look at this. We have a new one. I added a label widget. This is how you create it. The class name is BLUI_label. And to use it, you have to import the Python file. And here you can see the code to do this. Okay, you have these methods at the moment for the label to set the text size, and the text color. And the text color can be set now for the slider and for the buttons as well. In this example, I set the text color to blue. Okay, let's see how this widget is implemented. It's quite simple, because you can inherit from the base class BLUI_widget, which does most of the work. Here in the init method, we have the members text, text size and text color, but I think I will turn this into properties in the next version. At the moment you have setter methods to set the members, and the isInRect method returns always false because there is no user interaction. In the draw method you can see I get the area height because I have to use this to calculate the y position in my own coordinate system that has the origin in the upper left-hand corner. Then I use the BLF module to set the size, the position and the color of the text, and finally I draw it onto the screen. Okay, that's it, a very simple new widget, but I think it's really useful and you will need it. If you like this channel guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support me, think about being my patron. Add your ideas or wishes for the library to the comments below so that I can add them to my consideration list. Thanks for watching guys, and see you soon.